Welcome to Biarritz, located in the heart of the Basque Country in the southwest of France. We are here for the 2019 International Surfing Association World Longboard Surfing Championship. Biarritz is a city rich in surfing history and culture. On these waves at Côte de Basques, surfing was first introduced to the continent in 1957, making it the birthplace of the sport in Europe. The long and gentle sloping waves of this location make it a hotspot for longboard surfing, which put the region on the map to host top-tier championships and produce world-class athletes. Surfing provides the perfect backdrop to a mix of upscale restaurants, cultural experiences, and quaint shops, all within walking distance. So join us at Côte de Basques as we receive the world's best longboarders, here to represent their nations and continue the rich legacy of longboarding at the 2019 ISA World Longboard Surfing Championship.